Okay, so this project, it's a dip switch with 8 switches controlling in 1-digit 7 segment. So dip switches have 2 pins. One side I connected it to the VCC 5 volt, which you can see with the orange wire. And the other side goes individually connected to via resistor 3.3 ohm resistor to each segment pin. So in my case, this one is a common cathode type. Okay. So this 7 segment has 10 pin. Okay. So pin number 1 and 2 and 3. 3 is a common. The common goes to the ground. So pin 3 is a common, and pin 8 at the top is also common. So there are 5 pins across each side, which the middle pin, number 3 in the bottom and number 8 at the top, they are going to the ground because obviously it's a cathode type. So here we can play a bit. You can see the dot, the first button. You can set them up as you like. I'll just set them up like this. So you can, you can make an H, you can make a B, you can make an A, or you can make any other letter that you think. Like in this case here, I'm trying to make. Let's have a look. Number 8. 0 and 8. You can make all sorts of numbers, 1 to 9, and then 1 and 0. And if you make some letters as well, you can have a look in alphanumeric. I will put on a graphic to show the 7 segment alphabetic letter each one. There are 7 segments, each one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Which one is which? Okay, so here we make a E. This is an E. It looks pretty clear. And here is an H, for example, very clear. So here we're making an A. This just looks like an A. And this is a 0. It could be an O as well, but it's a 0 in this case. Right, guys, thank you very much. I hope you liked. And ciao, bye-bye. Have a good day.